So ayun nga guys, no, ang dami nagtatanong kung paano daw ba sumali sa airdrop or kung posible daw ba kumita ng libreng pera sa airdrop. And yeah, actually from my own experience, I've earned 6 digits na free money on doing crypto airdrops. And madali lang talaga yung tasks niya, pero hindi ibig sabihin na sumali ka ngayon, bukas kikita ka, because some airdrops take months or even years bago sila magbigay ng libreng token. Pero paano nga ba sumali? You only need to have social media channels like Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, Discord, at iba pang channels like Facebook. These projects who are doing some airdrops, they just want to increase their online visibility. They just want to expand their network, that more people will know about their project. That's why they're doing some airdrops or giving away some free tokens by just doing simple tasks. Napakadali lang ng tasks na pinapagawa nila. Pero iba-ibang projects nga, iba-ibang tasks yung pinapagawa nila at iba-iba rin yung timeline at iba-iba rin yung amount na binibigay nila. Sobrang dali lang guys, kaya kung gusto nyo matuto ng airdrops at kumita ng libreng pera sa paggawa ng simple tasks, mag-join lang kayo. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel para matuto kayo, or mag-DM kayo sa account ko para maturuan ko kayo. Thank you so much and see you there!